everybody, Tim Morissette with Coldwell Banker, and I'm so excited because we're in front of our hot new listing at 35 Tessera in Foothill Ranch. You're gonna love this property, but I wanna say one thing. Stop looking for houses. You don't need to look any longer because this is a house for you. It features 5-bedroom, 3-bath, a pool, a spa, a huge backyard. Let's go take a look inside. So as you enter the home, I immediately noticed this large formal living room. It's a great space next to a formal dining room. And this whole area is accented by this beautiful spiral staircase. From here, we travel to a downstairs bedroom, full bath, and laundry room. So here we are in the kitchen. It's a great space, granite countertops, center island, which is very convenient, microwave, double oven. You have a walk-in pantry, loads of windows. This is a very bright kitchen, and it looks out into the scenery of the lush hillsides. I just love this space. From here, you have a breakfast nook, a large family room area with media niches. Now, what I've seen a lot of people do is fill these in and put a large flat screen TV here. So I just imagine being here for family gatherings. This is a fantastic room. You're gonna love it. So at the top of the landing, we have a romantic master suite, which we enter through double doors. I love the high ceilings, recessed lighting. It's a large area. Then we travel to the master bathroom, which has dual vanities, a soaking tub, a separate shower, and dual closets. You're gonna love this master suite. So as we exit the master suite, we're in the landing and we have the laundry area, nice cabinets. This is a great space here. We have bedrooms 3, 4, and 5. Now the 5th bedroom through the double doors is large enough to where a lot of people make that into a bonus room. These 3 bedrooms use a secondary bathroom upstairs that has dual vanities and a door that goes into the shower, which is nice for privacy. Let's finish the tour and check out the backyard. Isn't this an amazing backyard? I especially like the location of the spa that overlooks the canyon. You've got the hillside, beautiful Pebble Tec pool, large area for outdoor dining, and a big side yard with a barbecue that you can put a basketball court, a tot lot, whatever you wanted over there. This house has possibilities. So if you're thinking about making an offer, please give us a call, the Morissette Group, 949-412-2233. Take care, be safe.